Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. I want to share with you a card today that is so easy to make that you can mass produce it very quickly. And you can actually do this for any holiday, but this is a Christmas card. And so I'm just going to show you how I go ahead and do this. I pre-cut all of my card blanks, all of my patterned papers, and everything is pre-cut so I can just start to assemble everything very quickly. So I have this beautiful patterned paper. Most of this is from my stash that I've had quite a while. And so I put this beautiful holly print on a really pretty red and just attach the whole thing to my card base. And then I cut a strip of this sort of off green, put it across the front. And then the little bits that I have left, I like to add as a little decorative strip inside. Okay, so what I'm going to use now for the embellishment is this poinsettia pack. I got it at Hobby Lobby last year. I love it. Our Hobby Lobby no longer has anything like this, but it's a layered poinsettia. And I know that Honeybee and some other companies have a lot of different flowers that are in layers like this, and I just love how they turn out. So I went ahead and die cut in 3 different shades of red and just arrange them from darkest to lightest. You can go lightest to darkest. You can just mix it up. And I have a whole bunch of others that I made off camera that I'll show you, and you'll see a lot of different combinations. But look how quickly this goes together. It's just stack, stack, stack. I put glue only right in the middle so that I can lift the petals and create some dimension. I'm using my neat little grabber tool in order to get those little tiny yellow insides of the flowers on there. Now, 2 ways to add the leaves on the back. One is to flip it over, put the glue on, and stick the leaves on. I prefer to do it where I'm holding everything upright towards me, put the glue on the leaves, and just slide them behind, because then you can look at your flower and see where those leaves are actually sitting. And you can adjust those leaves anywhere on the back of that poinsettia, and you'll see when in my collection that I have a whole bunch of different ways that I have arranged those leaves back behind. And then you can flip up the petals and create some dimension, and this just creates such a pretty poinsettia. So here are the poinsettias that I've made, and you'll see just a whole lot of different variations in the reds that I used. A couple of them, the lighter colors, are actually a patterned paper, and so I just pre-made a whole bunch of these, and I really like when I lay that poinsettia on that strip that goes across the card. I really like when that dark branch kind of overlaps in that strip. I also, off camera, made a whole bunch of sentiments that just say Merry Christmas, die cut them in a lot of different colors, and then most of them are stacked 3 thick. I glued them together to give that that sentiment some real dimension. And then I'm putting down the poinsettia first, and then I'll go ahead and put on the sentiment so I can make sure that it sits on the card just like I want it to. This sentiment set is from Amazon. I've had it for quite a while. Anything that I use that I can find links to, I will go ahead and put it in the description below the video so you can find these things if you would like to. To finish the embellishment on this, I've had some little gem stickers in my stash for a very long time. These are not hard to find. I'll see if I can find some links for some of them. But I'm going to put on 3 bright red gem stickers. And they are stickers, but they're gems with sticky stuff behind, but they don't always hold on really well, so I always add a little bit of glue. And then it just adds an embellishment. I can fluff up the petals a little bit, lift them up to give some dimension, and I like using different sizes of those little gems on there. Now let's take a look at, I made 7 of this kind of card, so you can look at different colors of those sentiments. On some of them, I put a lighter and a darker color together to give it some dimension. But I just made the same card over and over and over, and it brought them all together so quickly and so easily. And I love this pattern. I love the style. And so I'm going to get ready to send out all these Christmas cards that I made in very short time. I hope you liked seeing this super fast, easy to mass produce card that you could use for any season, any holiday. I hope you are having a wonderful holiday season and that you're remembering to love people more than things. And we'll see you next time.